Hey Emma, come on in. Grab a seat. I just made some iced tea. It's super hot today. How's your morning going?
This morning, John. Pretty good, thanks. I was just thinking about food all morning. I'm starving already. How about you? Good day so far?
Yeah, nice and relaxed. I had breakfast about an hour ago, and now I'm dreaming about lunch. Speaking of food, let's talk about favorite foods and why we like them. Everyone has one or two things they can't live without, right?
Totally. Food is such a fun topic. Mine is definitely pizza. Like good old pepperoni pizza with extra cheese. Why? Because it's perfect. Crunchy crust, gooey cheese, spicy pepperoni. Every bite makes me happy. What about you? What's your number one?
Oh man, tough question. But if I have to pick one, it's probably tacos. Beef tacos with fresh salsa, avocado, a little lime. I could eat them every day. They taste fresh, spicy, and just satisfying. Plus, they're fun to make. You pile on whatever you want.
Tacos are amazing. I love street tacos. Small, soft tortillas, lots of cilantro and onion. So good. Okay, but let's go deeper. Why do you think food becomes a favorite? Is it taste, memories, or what?
All of it, I think. For me, tacos remind me of family trips to Mexico when I was a kid. My uncle would make them on the grill. The smell, the laughter. Every time I eat one now, I feel like a kid again.
Aw, that's sweet. For pizza, it's my college days. Late night studying, ordering a huge pizza with friends. We talked for hours. Now, when I eat pizza, I feel relaxed and connected, even if I'm eating alone.
Yeah, food has so many memories. Okay, what's your second favorite? Something different from pizza.
Sushi, especially salmon nigiri. It's so fresh, clean, and light. I like how simple it is. Just rice, fish, a little wasabi. Makes me feel healthy, but still treats myself. You?
Sushi's great, but I'm more of a burger guy for second place. Classic cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, pickles, juicy, messy, perfect. Why? Because it's comfort food. After a long day, nothing beats a good burger. Feels like a hug from the inside.
A hug from the inside. I love that. Okay, what about something sweet? Dessert favorites.
Chocolate cake. Rich, moist, with chocolate frosting. My grandma used to make it for birthdays. Every bite takes me back to her kitchen. Super emotional for me.
Chocolate cake is dangerous. I can't stop at one piece. My sweet favorite is mango sticky rice. Sweet mango, sticky coconut rice, a little salty sauce. It's Thai, and it's like heaven. Reminds me of a trip to Thailand with my best friend. We ate it every day.
Sounds incredible. I need to try that. Okay, funny food story. Last month, I tried to make my own tacos at home. I put too much hot sauce. My mouth was on fire. I drank milk, water, everything. My roommate laughed so hard he cried.
Oh no, I did something similar with spicy ramen. Thought I can handle it. 5 minutes later, I'm sweating, crying, and swearing off spice forever. But the next week, I ate it again. Addicted.
We're weak for good food. Okay, let's practice talking about favorites. Imagine we're at a party, meeting someone new.
Hi. So, what's your favorite food?
Hey, probably tacos. I love how fresh and customizable they are. What's yours?
Pizza for sure. Extra cheese, pepperoni. It's my comfort food. Why tacos for you?
They remind me of family trips. Spicy, fun. What about pizza?
Memories of friends and late nights. Makes me happy every time.
Nice. Easy conversation, right? Beginners can say, my favorite food is, I like it because, it reminds me of, I love the taste or texture because,
Yeah, add details. It's spicy, sweet, salty, crispy, chewy, gooey, fresh, hot, cold.
perfect. And ask back, what about you? Why do you like it?
Makes it a real chat.
So, any food you used to hate but love now?
Think. Olives. Hated them as a kid. Now I put them on everything. Taste changed as I grew up.
Same with sushi. Thought raw fish was weird, tried it, obsessed now.
Food adventures. Okay, one more. If you could only eat one food forever, what?
Tough. Probably tacos. Variety every time. You?
Pizza. I could eat different toppings forever. We'd both survive.
Deal. Pizza and tacos party.
Yes! I think the best part of talking about favorite foods, it brings people closer. You learn about someone's tastes, memories, culture.
So true. Food connects us. Even if different favorites, we understand each other more.
Yeah. For beginners watching, start small. Tell a friend, my favorite food is, and why. It's fun and easy English practice.
And listen to their answer. Maybe try their favorite sometime. You might discover something new.
Great idea. This chat made me hungry and happy.
Same here. Thanks for talking about food with me, Emma. Always fun.
Anytime, John. Now I need pizza or tacos, or both.
Both. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Bye.